Hey guys, I'm Dipankar from Techlomedia and this is TP-Link Bluetooth Music Receiver HA100. With the help of this device, you can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet to any stereo speakers via Bluetooth or NFC. Packaging itself confirms so many things about the device. You can connect this device with your smartphone or tablet over Bluetooth or NFC. You can connect this device with your speakers using 3.5 mm or RCA jacks. The, the range of this device is 20 meters within direct line of sight. So the range is good enough if you are using it at home. It supports Bluetooth 4.1 devices and supports A2DP2. It can also remember up to 8 devices so that you do not need to pair it again and again. Just connect this device with your stereo speakers and then connect your smartphone with this device and then start music streaming. You can wirelessly stream music directly from your smartphone and your speaker will play all those music which you want directly from your smartphone. The use of this device is very easy and you can easily install everything without any kind of trouble. Inside the package, you will get Bluetooth music receiver, power adapter, 3.5 mm to RCA cable, 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable, quick installation guide and NFC tag. Now I am going to do the unboxing of this device to check the Bluetooth music receiver and inbox accessories coming with the device. This is TP-Link Bluetooth music receiver HA100. I will talk about this device later. First, let me check the inbox accessories. This is the wall socket. This is the USB cable to connect it with the wall socket and then as a power source for the device. This is 3.5 mm to RCA cable. This is 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm auxiliary cable, and this is NFC tag. And then we can see technical support guide and quick installation guide. So these are the things which you will get inside the box along with HA100 Bluetooth music receiver. Things are NFC tag, 3.5 mm to RCA cable, 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm auxiliary cable, USB cable and a power adapter. Design of this device is good. It looks very attractive. It is very small in size. The length of the device is just 2.6 inches and the width is just 2.4 inches. You can see the logo of Bluetooth and NFC at the below side. At the back side there is a micro USB port and a 3.5 mm audio output port. The overall it is made of plastic. At the top front side there is a small indicator light to indicate whether it is connected to the power source or not. At the back side you can just connect it with the micro USB cable and the 3.5 mm audio output jack. Then you can connect it over Bluetooth with your smartphone, or you can also use the NFC tag to connect this device with your smartphone just like this, and then you can start streaming music directly from your smartphone to the stereo speakers. I tried this with my iPod, iPhone, Android devices and it works pretty perfect. There was no trouble while connecting this device to any smartphones or any kind of speakers. I am pretty much happy with the performance of this device. Range of this device is also good enough to use it in your home or in a small office without any kind of trouble. You can easily use and will be happy with the performance with the device. The only disappointing thing is the pricing, because the MRP says the price is rupees 2000. That will be higher for the Indian consumers. But overall this device is pretty much good. If you like this video, please press the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.